While the Aztecs took the loss last night against Gonzaga, they were out in the community today bringing a little victory to those who need it and are underserved. Our resident Aztec John Howard has more with the players who helped Feeding San Diego make it a better day for families at Hoover High School.
Last night, the Aztecs were entertaining the community.
DeCorville bounced off of Hickman. Great look down low.
Today, they were serving it.
You know you're just doing the right thing. You just want to help, and ultimately that's my end goal, just to really help as many people as I can. So whether I do it on the court or somewhere like here, it just makes me feel good always.
The day included a stop at the gym, where Aztecs assistant coach J.D. Luster is on the Wall of Fame.
How fun is it to bring the guys over here today?
It's an honor. I mean, for them to come here and see where I played, where I, developed my game, and for them to be here is just, it's surreal. And maybe they'll listen a little bit more when I'm talking to them. Maybe they understand that I did it at one point in time, too.
So I heard you in the gym. You noticed that Milky Phelps played here.
Yeah, I didn't realize he came to Hoover. So I guess we got a bunch of SDSU legends. He's going to be a coaching legend, so we got some SDSU legends that are from Hoover. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, who's more impressive, Milky Phelps or J.D. Luster?
Shout out Milky Phelps.
J.D., what do you think?
He's going to have some running to do tomorrow.
The Aztecs joined Feeding San Diego to provide food at Hoover High School's pantry.
Feeding San Diego is helping to provide these schools with the food free of cost.
Everything from canned goods to fresh fruit is being distributed to students and their families.
Really important that we be able to raise more funds for Feeding San Diego so that we can open up more school pantries at schools just like Hoover High.
Today's event is being carried out in conjunction with the Mesa Foundation.
Today was, about teaching these kids, letting our student athletes get a little bit more connected with the community and understand organizations like Feeding San Diego exist and the impact of the good work that they're doing.
Through partnerships like the one with Feeding San Diego, the Mesa Foundation aims to provide support to Aztec athletes during their college years.
Miles, what are you serving up here?
We got cucumbers, we got some golden corn.
Now, you going to prepare this for the folks too?
No, I'm not.
You're just handing it out.
Just handing it out today.
Feeding San Diego says they have 48 schools on the pantry program and a waiting list of 40 more schools. It's with slam dunks like today. They hope those programs will come to those 40 schools and more. At Hoover High School with the Aztecs, John Howard, CBS 8.